Here we see a bat held by a string flying around with batteries. Look below, you see a dog trying to get the bat. Stand back. He'll do this all night if you let him. He's chasing the bat. Exerciser for the dog. That's it. Who said you can't exercise your dog at home? Look at that. This is the third time he's been doing it in the last 2 hours. For about 10 minutes, and the batteries die in the back. And then we stop for a while. Sometimes he takes a jump at it. Jump, 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 chaps. Get him, get him. Get up there, jump. Jump, jump. Oh, he's not gonna jump. Easy, easy. Don't stop or he'll break it. Oh, his batteries are dying. Oh, look, he's getting smaller circles. Okay, bye for now. Look at, he's still going. Holy, he's jumping. He's not barking so much anymore. All right, that's enough exercise for now. Bye.